has big dreams. I felt the blood rush to my heart. I knew that this could be the start of something like you see in movies, the making of our story. So I got down on my knee and I told you honestly, baby, I don't know where we're going, but we're going together. We're going together. See us when we're older and moving a little slower, with a life full of memories, and we wouldn't change a thing. And it might not come easy, but the beauty is the mystery of where this road leads. Baby, I don't know where we're going, but we're going together. We're going together. We're going together.
Kailanman hindi kita pagtatapsilin. Isuot mo at ingatan ng singsing na ito. Siyang sangla ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
I wonder over sideways and under on a magic carpet ride. A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no or where to go. Say we're only dreaming.
Sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa ni Yves na naririto ngayon, alinsunod sa batas at maituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Buong puso bang pagkakalubos sa kanya ng iyong sarili bilang kanyang may bahay?
Opo, Father.
Nakalan ka bang balikatin sa piling niyang pananagutan ng buhay may asawa?
Opo, Father.
I'm like a shooting star. I've come so far. I can't go back to where I used to be. When you arise, you pursue. I'll chase them anywhere.
Yves and Ailleen Grace, now that you have received the holy sacrament of matrimony, I admonish you to remain faithful to one another. Ailleen Grace, love your husband Yves and be a good wife. Persevere in faith, love, and holiness. Yves, love your wife Ailleen Grace as Christ loves His church, and live with her in the holy fear of the Lord.
A whole new world, a whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no or where to go.
swear